In this practice, the invitation is to bring our awareness to the breath. You can do this in whatever position feels most supportive to you, just giving yourself some space to tune in to the natural rhythm of the breath. You might notice the movement of the breath inside your body, a gentle expansion on the inhale and a subsiding on the exhale, expanding out and subsiding back. And allowing yourself to be curious about where you notice this movement. It might be in your belly, in your chest. If it feels supportive, you might place a hand on the belly or the chest to feel this movement. Maybe you can feel it in the back of your body. This might be more subtle, but it can be very calming to focus on the movement and sensations of the breath in the back of the body. Just spending some time sitting with this movement, the flow of the breath moving in and out, gently rocking the body, expanding out and subsiding back in like waves onto the shore of a beach.